guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching my daily vlogs. You guys always make my day, so thank you so much for watching my videos and stuff like that. And guys, I'm super happy today. I'm so sorry for my last vlog. I was really feeling down and it was a very chill kind of vlog, and I hope you guys didn't mind that. I was just being myself and, you know, vlogging whatever was happening that day, and that day was one of the chill day of my life. I was having so lazy day that day, so I will leave the link for that vlog in the description bar below for you all. And on that vlog also I told you guys that you have good and bad days, and that day was a bad day for me because I was going through the holiday sadness, to be honest. So yes guys, if you have watched that video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know that you watched that video. So my breakfast is ready guys, and for my breakfast today I am eating butter with toast, eggs, tomatoes, hash brown and some mushroom. Yummy. If you guys noticed, I didn't uploaded any video on Saturday and Sunday. That's the only time I spend with my husband and my family, and I want to, you know, give myself a little break. Vlogging is fun, to be honest, but daily vlogging can be very hectic, especially the editing and stuff like that. I don't mind putting up the camera and vlogging, but the editing bit takes a lot of time. So guys, from now onwards there will be daily vlogs, but not on the weekends. So it's gonna be Monday to Friday there will be vlog every single day, but on weekends it's gonna be no vlogs. And yes guys, I might vlog it on weekends, but I won't be uploading anything on weekends, you know what I mean. That's my little update for you guys. I hope you guys will understand and will appreciate my decision and be supportive as well. And yes guys, that's about it. That's my little update for you all. So today I decided to make Masu Chiura for our lunch. So we are eating Chiura, Masu with broccoli, and I'm also preparing some sag. By the way, this is frozen spring beans. I chopped it up and put it inside the freezer so that we can eat it later. मैले चाहिँ यसमा just तेल हाले, हल्का नुन अनि चिली फ्लेक्स हालेर चाहिँ just stir fry गर्न लाएको हो, and it still tastes good even if it's frozen. अनि I'm also gonna fry these chickpeas and cook some jinge matcha as well. And I'm also going to film a mukbang video for you all. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Look what I did guys. Luckily I still have more than half can for me and my husband. So anyways, I'm still gonna go ahead and cook it, and I'm so clumsy guys. I sometimes hate myself, but what can you do? You still gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna cook this and see you guys in a bit. So mero saag chai ready bhaisakeko cha. So my chickpeas is also ready guys. Looks so delicious. It's kind of burnt as well because I was cleaning the mess. And my jinge matcha ko achar / curry is also ready. So let's go ahead and plate this up. So guys, my food is ready. As you guys can see, the plate looks really colorful and delicious. I'm eating jinge matcha ko achar / curry, and then sags, also some carrots, tomatoes, chickpeas, masu ko tarkali. This is pork and broccoli curry, and finally I am eating some chiura as well. This is called beaten rice in English, I believe. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go ahead and grab. That's good. I don't know about you guys, but I really like chiura. Anything chewy, you know, I just love it. By the way, I forgot to show you this, but I'm gonna eat this white chocolate after my food, so really excited for that as well. यो चिकपी चाहिँ हल्का कालो कालो भइसकेको थियो गाइस फुल्ली डर्न चाहिँ पाएको थिएन लकीली still taste good guys. You guys know that I'm super clumsy and I like to do 2-3 jobs at a time, so that's why this was burnt. I was like trying to clean the floor and cook at the same time, so I forgot about the chickpeas. It's alright, you know, tastes good. Some of my viewers, they wanted to see what I am eating for my dinner, but to be honest guys, I don't eat a lot for dinner. Normally for dinner I eat salads or fruits, and that's about it guys. And you guys know it's not the best thing to eat, but I'm just doing this for my health and stuff like that. But I'm always excited for my breakfast and lunch, so yeah, that's the reason why I don't show my food on the dinner time. Just a quick question guys, my favorite curry is pork curry. What about you guys? what type of curry do you like, you know? I also like fish curry. Wow guys, that was an epic meal. I cleared my plate and it was really delicious, and I ate a bit too much, but you still have some space for dessert. And in my case today I'm eating this white chocolate. This is one of my favorite chocolate. Let's go ahead and eat this. So good. It was delicious. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching this mukbang. So guys, I saw a lot of posts on my Facebook page about the plane crash back in Nepal. त्यो सुन्दाखेरि चाहिँ मलाई एकदमै चित्त दुखेर आएको थियो and खुसी पनि लागेको थिएन कति पनि, to be honest. Rest in peace जोले चाहिँ यो plane crash मा आफ्नो लाइफ गुमाउनु भएको छ. अनि family members हरुलाई चाहिँ be strong भन्न चाहन्छु. I know it is a very hard time for you all. If in any way or shape I can help, please leave me a comment or link their page. I would definitely love to help them. Thank you so much for listening me. Here's an update about my radiators and boiler. None of them are working guys. एउटा मान्छे आएको थियो बनाउनको लागि अनि he said he don't have any parts for the job, so he just went back again and I haven't heard anything from him. So we are just here without any heater or radiators working. It's a bummer, but that's the little update for you guys. Anyways, today someone is coming to my house to fix the door cause हाम्रो चाहिँ यो ढोकाबाट चाहिँ हावा एकदमै छिरेको छिरे गरिराख्छ. त्यही भएर मेरो बुढाले चाहिँ मान्छे बोलाएको थियो बनाउनको लागि. Luckily they are coming here today and I'm not going anywhere today. I'm just gonna wait for him so that he can come and fix the door. So guys, that's about it for today. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs, and right now I'm also eating some chocolate, which is my favorite. Yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.